Hey everyone! Welcome back to Healthy Horizons, your go-to place for natural wellness, nutrition, and smart living. Today, we're diving into one of the tiniest superfoods on Earth, but don't let their size fool you. These little seeds pack a serious health punch. Have you ever wondered why chia seeds have become such a big deal in the world of health and nutrition? Well, in this video, we're going to explore the science-backed health benefits of chia seeds, how they can boost your body and mind, and why adding just a spoonful a day might be the easiest health upgrade you can make. Stick around till the end, because we'll also share how to add chia seeds to your daily meals with some simple and delicious ideas. Let's get started. Chia seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. They were a staple in ancient Aztec and Mayan diets, prized for their energy-boosting properties. In fact, the word chia actually means strength in the Mayan language. These seeds are tiny, about the size of a poppy seed, but they are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and minerals. Let's take a quick look at what you get in just 2 tablespoons, about 28 grams, of chia seeds, fiber, 11 grams, that's almost half of your daily recommended intake. Protein, 4 grams including all 9 essential amino acids. Fat, 9 grams with 5 of those being omega-3s. Calcium, 18% of your daily needs. Magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and potassium, all in impressive amounts. Plus, they're gluten-free and low in calories. All of this, packed into just 2 tablespoons. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. The soluble fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness and regular bowel movements. Bonus, this can also help with weight management. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which has been linked to reduced inflammation, lower blood pressure, and a healthier heart. They also help regulate cholesterol levels by increasing HDL, the good kind, and lowering LDL, the bad kind. Chia seeds can slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. This is especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or anyone trying to reduce sugar spikes and crashes. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds give you more calcium than a glass of milk, along with magnesium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Perfect for those on dairy-free diets. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from free radical damage, slowing the aging process and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, antioxidants help keep the healthy fats in chia seeds from going rancid. The combination of fiber, protein, and the ability to absorb water makes chia seeds incredibly filling. They expand in your stomach, curbing appetite and reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. Remember how ancient warriors used chia seeds before battle? Turns out, they were onto something. The protein and slow-digesting carbs in chia provide sustained energy, perfect for athletes or anyone needing a midday pick-me-up. So how do you actually eat chia seeds? Here are some easy ways to add them to your routine. Chia pudding. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of milk or plant-based milk. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight, top with fruits or nuts. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon to any smoothie for an instant nutrient boost. Oatmeal or yogurt. Stir them into your morning bowl. Baking. Use chia seeds as an egg substitute. 1 tablespoon chia plus 3 tablespoons water equals 1 chia egg. Sprinkle on salads, cereal, or toast. Pro tip: always let chia seeds soak before eating in large amounts, as they absorb a lot of water and expand. Chia seeds are generally safe for most people. But a few things to keep in mind: if you're not used to a high-fiber diet, start with small amounts to avoid bloating. Drink plenty of water, since chia absorbs a lot of it. And if you're on blood pressure or blood-thinning medication, talk to your doctor because of the omega-3s. So there you have it, the incredible health benefits of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are more than just a trendy topping. They're a superfood loaded with nutrients that can support your digestion, heart, bones, blood sugar, and so much more. If you haven't tried them yet, this might be the perfect time to sprinkle a little health into your day. Let us know in the comments, how do you like to eat chia seeds? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and natural wellness ideas, right here on Healthy Horizons. Until next time, stay healthy and stay inspired.